Badonkadonk train. I got the blues this morning that last me all day long. I need to find some toast to spread my jelly on. I got 19 women all at once, one more. When I get to one, I'll let the 19 go. Cause I've been hit, baby, by that Badonkadonk train. Badonkadonk train is 16 coaches long. Oh, once you get hit, you won't know right from wrong. Oh, mama took my hand, said, don't you ride. But mama couldn't hold me by her side. I ran up the track and got hit by that Badonkadonk train. Make a young boy shout, make an old man lose his mind. Make the preacher hug the devil and drink till they both go blind. I stay in trouble all my days. The doctor said they'd kill me if I don't change my ways. But I'm getting hit by that Badonkadonk train. When I was a little boy, mama kept me by her side. When I saw that train, I knew I was bound to ride. Oh, mama put me out, set out running wild. Daddy said he ain't no more baby child. That boy been run over by the Badonkadonk train. Mama told me, my sisters too, this little girl's gonna be the death of you. She grabbed my hand, she held it tight. I slipped out most every night. I got tore up by that Badonkadonk train. Old preacher left the church, threw his Bible down. Devil came over, picked it off the ground. The devil started shouting when the train come by. Preacher started jumping till he like to die. Well, they both got hit by that Badonkadonk train. I mean, they both got wore out by that Badonkadonk train. Thank you.